Hey Instagram, hey YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing a slime smoothie in this big bucket. So let's just get started. This is part 1 of part 2. So this is the first time I'm putting a little bit in. Here it is. It's like a rainbow color sort of. Was like a slime I made in a challenge that I think I made up. But I'm not 100% sure. Broke it, so let's just plop it in here. Next one is this blue one. Well, it's kind of purple and it's all sorts of colors. Okay. Take a picture of that. It's pretty stretchy. Okay, ready guys? There we go. Next one. Okay, so this slime that I'm putting in here, I hate. I added too much color to it, so like it is stripping out color. You guys can probably see, it like stains my hands. I'm trying to say I should put the whole thing in. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little over them because I don't want to make my slime this all like gooey like this is. Okay, and that stinks. Okay, this is just like that slime, except it's a different color. It's like a greenish bluish, but this one isn't that bad, but it still is that, and I hate this too. Okay, I'm gonna put this much in this time. It's not stretchy at all. There we go. Here's this slime. This slime is better. It's not one of my best slimes because, as you guys can see, it just breaks off. So I'm just gonna put the whole thing in there, and we'll see what happens to it. Okay. Okay, now let's grab my next slime so I have a container now. Amazing. Okay, here's my next slime. I'm not putting the whole thing in there because I love this slime, guys. Okay, we're just gonna take a teeny bit of this slime and I'm showing you guys it. Okay, so it's sort of sticky. One second. Okay, that scared me. It was my hands just caged. Okay, so here's this slime. I love this slime. Now I'll just plop it in there where it belongs. We'll go down there. Okay. As I said, guys, I'm not putting the whole thing in there. Like, if you guys saw me, like, panic for a second, that was because I had my hamster's cage open and my cat was in here. And you guys know how cats hate hamsters, so that freaked me out. And hamsters hate cats, so that freaked me out. Okay, sorry, I had to activate this a little bit because it's sticky. Okay, so I love this slime too, so I'm not going to take the whole thing. Here we go. I probably have to do part 2, okay? Just saying, guys. Okay. Next slime is this one. It's a lighter blue tint. I love this one too. I barely play it fit, but it's like a lighter blue tint. So let me just take a little piece off there. Okay. This is kind of, these slimes are getting overactivated. My hands. As you guys can see. Okay, I hate this slime. Like, it's clay that I got the wrong clay, and it's just, yeah. That's what I get. Another free container. Okay, here's this one. Oh, this is the one I overactivated, I think, and it's super sticky. So I am just gonna dump this whole thing in here since I don't want to touch it because it's too sticky. Okay. Okay, it like melted. So yeah, we're not gonna touch that one. Here's this one. This one sort of melted too, I guess. But this one's better than the other one. Like, I can pick this one up way better. So let me just take it out and show you guys. So I'm not putting the whole thing in here. I'm just getting off a teeny bit. Okay, plop. Okay, I'm getting a bit here. Okay, I love this slime, so, you know, I'm not taking it out. I'm not using all of it. I mean, I am taking it out. coffee, by the way. I know it. Okay, this one's a butter one, and it's super hard. So, I don't think I'm put the whole thing in, but I'm going to put some good in there. Okay, here's this. Oh. This slime my friend made me. I'm not putting the whole thing in because, you know, my friend made this for me. Like, who would do that to their friend? Okay, there. Do that slime. This is my favorite slime. So, I'm not going to put this whole thing in there. There's a ton of it, so, and it's my favorite. Some of it fell on the carpet. So, it's not that stretchy anymore. Probably have to soap hand sanitizer later. The rest later, I should say, because. Okay. Here's this slime. I'm obviously not putting the whole thing in. Okay, guys, I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna show you. Okay, that's super sticky. Oh, there's a sticky one in here. Okay, I'm trying to mix this up for you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this up, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I just mixed in for like a minute or so because I just want to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, this one's butter. Huge one, so I'm just gonna take half of it out and plop it in. Okay, guys, if you haven't, go like, comment, subscribe because this video is gonna end soon probably. So let's do part 2. Okay, this one's sticky. I mean, sort of. Not really. No, it's not sticky. Okay. It's green slime. Some of these I had hand sanitizer on them, so they're like a different texture, and some I didn't. Okay, it's green slime again, and I have like a ton of these green slimes. This one isn't even stretchy. So I can put the whole thing in there. Okay, we have about a minute till this video ends, so yeah. Okay, this slime my friend made me too, so like I'm not gonna put the whole thing in here. So just riff up a little bit. There we go. Got me going down the streets. Okay, it's ready to go. Okay, guys, we got like a minute left. Okay, this is my favorite clear slime. I haven't put like this much in. Guess it's gonna end soon. Here's this slime. Okay, this is probably not what I'm putting in. Here it is. It's stretchy, it's pokey. I'm not putting in the whole thing. There you go. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.